Hey everybody, how are you guys doing? I pray that you guys are doing very well. So in today's video, I really want to go over a client who took an AUDUSD sale on the 4-hour time frame. Now, while I may not enter all of my trades on the 4-hour time frame, I primarily have been sticking to the daily time frame for the past couple months. It doesn't mean that my clients cannot stick to the lower time frames if they so choose. Now, most of my clients don't go below any time frames lower than the 4 hour because they're wanting to hold their trades, they're wanting to understand and read price action from a higher time frame. So let's go over her analysis really quick. Now, please keep in mind that all of my students trade the same technique, TMP. I teach one technique and how to enter it many different ways because we don't want to trade with confusion. So as you guys can see on her price chart, she is naming what she sees. She sees a high at 0.69198, a low at 0.67629, a high at 0.68936, and then she sees a low at 0.67604, wherever the number that is right there, right? But what she was wanting to do was sell. And we can see that because she even stated that this is a downtrend, which this is a downtrend. And in downtrends, we sell. And so she shows her R to R, or her risk to reward short position tool. And as you guys can see with the green over the red, she is rewarding herself more than what she'll make. And this was the completed outcome. Okay. So she did enter this trade. She did profit from it. She even posted when she entered the trade. It's a few slides up before she even put the position in, because she wants to see how many other people see the same thing that I see. Now, for me, I did see it, but as I stated, I don't trade per the 4-hour time frame, and so I let her have it. And it's okay to, sometimes let your friends or your co-traders have it. We don't have to catch the same trades every time, but our job is to motivate each other through the analysis. So when it comes to this analysis, it was really simple. It was really easy analysis because this is a clear downtrend on the 4-hour. As a matter of fact, overall, AUD is bearish, and this is not something that we want to counter. We do not want to be in the trade on the opposite side of it. So prayerfully, she's setting this trade up again to take another sale. And all she has to do is one thing, you guys, just update her price chart with literally one price label tool, and then wherever she's going to place her next estimation zone. So now with the new analysis, if price stays below 0.68742, as long as it can stay below that exchange rate, she can take another sell back down to the lows. So I'm excited to see how this plays out for her. I'm excited to see what this does. And as you guys can see, I'm done with the full analysis from where she took the trade to the new analysis in under 3 minutes. When it comes to trading, it doesn't necessarily have to be hard. You don't have to put all these things on your price chart to understand what's going on and to see what's going on. As long as you have clear direction and a clear sign of where you want to enter the trade and exit the trade, you are really golden. And remember, you guys, that simplicity wins at the end of the day. So I pray that you guys enjoyed her analysis and the new breakdown of what the next trade could be. If y'all have questions, make sure you post them below, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. You guys have a safe trading week.